Today we're going to talk about something that sounds extremely technical, vector databases. But don't worry, I'm going to explain it so simple that you'll never forget. No math, no formulas, just a simple explanation. And once you get this, every part of AI will make more sense. Before we start, quick intro. I'm Gio, a two-time founder with an engineering and math background, also a former teacher, and I spent over 10 years in industrial automation, explaining complex systems from robotics, machine vision, pneumatics, and hydraulics. On this channel, I break down AI in simple terms so that anyone can actually understand it. Here's the simplest way to think about vector databases. It's the GPS systems for your information. Let me explain. When you open up Google Maps and search coffee, your phone doesn't look for every restaurant in the world. It doesn't need the exact names or perfect words. It understands what you mean and finds the closest match based on your location. Vector search does the same thing, but for meaning, it turns every sentence, every paragraph, every document into a coordinate, non-physical coordinates, meaning coordinates. So when someone asks a question, the system finds the closest matching meaning inside your data. And if the words are different, even if phrasing doesn't match at all, it finds the closest location in that space of ideas. That is the core of how RAG finds the right information. A regular database needs exact words. A vector database understands concepts. Let me give you the analogy that will lock this in forever. Imagine you're in a new city and you tell your GPS, take me somewhere relaxing with water. You didn't say beach, you didn't say lake, you didn't say park, but the GPS understands the meaning and shows you the places that fit. Vector search works the exact same way. If someone asks, where can I get help with my assignment? It might retrieve tutoring pages. What's the process for a late submission? It might pull from the academic policy, even if you didn't say the exact phrase. What's the cleaning checklist? It retrieves the SOP steps, even if the word was different. Takes its meaning, then it matches, and then it retrieves. Let's go deeper with real examples we built on Privion. A university uses Privion so students can ask questions like, who can help me with math? The word might not appear anywhere in their document, but the vector system understands that help with math is close to tutoring, math center, or academic support. Another example, a restaurant uploaded their SOPs into Privion. An employee asked, what do I do to close out the kitchen? Vector search immediately pulls the closing checklist, even if the actual question says end of day procedures. Here's another example where a business uses Privion for leads. So someone asks, how do I get a quote? The system retrieves the internal process for lead handling, even if the document never says new sales inquiry flow. Now another example is with the city that we're working with. So a resident can ask, where do I get permission to build a fence? Vector search finds residential permit application section. This is why vector database matters. They understand the meaning behind the question, they return the closest matching information, they remove friction, they remove guesswork, they eliminate keywords hunting. But here's the most important part. Vector search is what makes AI feel smart. People think AI understands everything. The truth is, vector search does most of the heavy lifting, not the model. The model generates a response. The vector system finds the right information. Together they create an accurate and practical answer. So here's the big takeaway. Vector databases are the GPS of your information. They map your documents into meaning-based coordinates. They retrieve the closest match instantly. And this is what allows AI agents to give you right answers fast. If you want to see how vector search could organize your PDFs, SOPs, menus, policies, your campus resource, click the link in the bio and try our free AI Audit Agent. It'll show you exactly how AI can structure your information that's worth automating. And if you're enjoying these breakdowns, hit subscribe. Next video, we're going to dive in deeper on how AI agents make decisions step by step. I'll see you there.